It is 5:31. I don't have any sleep and today is gonna be a long day. I guess I'm gonna finish this day nang wala akong tulog.
Antok pa? Kagayak na ako.
Kasi we have to go to church. Ang oras na ba? Basta kanina was past 5:30. We have to leave 6:15. So I have to get ready fast. Na wala akong tulog. I don't know how I'm gonna get through this day. Pag uwi namin from the church, meron pa kaming nail appointment. Nagpa-home service kami ni ate ng nails. Okay, all done. Hi, Pojo. Oh, he's a bit masungit. Hi! Come here. Now I have to do skincare. Oh! Serum. Gotta put a generous amount. Since wala akong tulog, I'm gonna be dehydrated. So, I need more hydration sa face ko. Ganda ng serum na to, guys. This is from Skin Potions. Holy grail ko siya ever since the pandemic. Kasi dyan talaga ako kuminis. Love this. And I'm gonna use lip balm. Kailangan nilalagay agad yung lip balm para before mag-makeup, prep na yung lips. Now, habang nagpapatuyo ako ng serum, I have to pick an outfit. So, hindi ko alam kung anong susuotin ko. Yes. We have pants. Siguro magpa-pants ako. Siguro ito na lang. Comfy pants lang. Gusto ko comfy kasi ako sa church. Ang pattern niya, maybe this simple shirt lang. It's a double line top. Kaya na siguro yan. I'll just wear this. Yep. Tapusin ko muna yung skincare ko. I have this for moisture. Ah! Need to put a lot ulit. Ako lang ba yung nag-skincare with just one hand? Feeling ko kasi, if I use two, parang nagta-transfer siya. I feel like sayang. So, I only use one. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung logic na yun. But, yeah. Pala napapakita, this is my wall organizer. Diyan lahat ng skincare ko. And ito yung sunscreen. Last step is the sunscreen. Damn, ang dami kong nalagay. Okay lang. More moisture, better skin. Short fit check. I have this double-line top, baggy sweatpants, tapos Crocs. Very comfy. TikTok. And I also got yung Crocs ko. Oh, I got these sandals from... Nabili ko sila sa Taytay. They're not real. Pero maganda sila. Ganda sila, no? I like them. I don't need the real ones. Basta may ganito ako. Before ako mag-makeup, I have some accessories. Wear my ring. And meron akong bracelet. This is an Italian bracelet. Match kami ng best friend ko. Yan siya. Very cute. And I have this watch. Nice. Okay, time for makeup. First, I'm gonna use this color corrector. Ginagamit ko lang siya sa eye bags ko. Yan. Very simple makeup lang ang gagawin ko. Hindi naman ako lalabas sa like, as in gala. Don't wanna put that much work on my face. Next is Fit Me Concealer. Napaubos na. Naganto ko siya. Para may makuha pa din ako. Meron pa rin namang lumalabas. See? To be honest, ngayon na like, nagagayak ako, hindi ko pa ramdam yung antok. Pero feeling ko, pag uwi from church, feeling ko mararamdaman ko na siya dun. Laking improvement. Color corrector and concealer lang. It's a very big improvement na. Next, I have this Careline brow liner. Dali lang nito gamitin. Favorite ko siya. To be honest, hindi ko alam ang plano ko sa video na to. I just wanna post a YouTube video. Gusto ko lang mag-start ng content. Kahit anong content. Lifestyle, ganon. Kasi wala naman akong ibang ginagawa. Pang blend. I feel like sobrang nalagay ko. Let's fix this. Okay na yun. Then, maybe some blush. Onting blush lang. I have this really cute flower nose blush. Binili ko siya last year pa. Like, look at the design. Sobrang detailed. Super onting blush lang para hindi ako maputla tingnan. Ang oras na. Oh, past 6 na pala. Gotta hurry. Powder. Itong powder ng Careline. Sobrang ganda niya. Nabibili siya sa mga stores. 150 lang. Very effective siya para sa skin ko. Last one, yung lips. And then, I'm going to fix my bag. Peri-Pera lip tint. Bigay ito sa akin ng mother ko. Very light makeup lang. Light church, modest makeup. Very nice. Oh my gosh, narinig ko na. I-start na nila yung car. Looking cute. Nice lips, nice eyes. Kunti lang naman dadalhin ko. I have my mini fan, hair clip, lip tint, syempre, oil paper, mints, suklay, tapos rosary bracelet. My very nice wallet, hand-me-down from my mother. Yan ang laman ng bag ko. Konti lang, very simple. Last step before umalis is this Enfant baby cologne. Ayoko magsuot ng like matapang na pabango. Kasi nahihilo ako. Mahihilo ako, I mean. Okay, I'm done now. Hi guys! I'm back home and ngayon nag-aantay kami sa nail tech. Ang appointment namin for home service is 9. It's a little bit past 9. Pero I think andito na siya. Wait, check ko. Papagawa kami ng gel polish. Nag-send kami ng design. So, hopefully, magawa siya. Wag! Yung aesthetic. Grabe guys, hindi ko kinaya yung walang tulog.
I'm gonna finish this day kung wala akong tulog.
I was trying to stay up sana for the whole day. Hindi ko din alam kung ba't naisip kung kaya ko yun. Parang nagpa-nails lang ako and then I just dipped out and fell asleep. It's 4:30. Ngayon pa lang ako mag-lunch. You know guys, sobrang sad ko talaga na hindi ako nakasabay sa lunch. We had liampo kasi na inihaw. Ito siya. Ang sarap niya kasi, oh. Sarap lang sana kainin. Ang bagong luto siya. First bite. So good. Okay. Nanonood muna ako ng Netflix. I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl. Later ko naiisipin yung mga gagawin ko. Bro, that was so good. Simot, walang natira. Kailangan ko pala maglaba. That's the thing I have to do today para. So, I do have a chore na important. Parang ang langis ko. Or malangis ba talaga ako? Hindi. Pero maasim talaga ako ngayon. Pag oil paper nga. Nakatulog kasi ako eh. That's why my face got oily so fast. Okay, now I have to do my laundry. It's 6:40 ngayon. Hindi pa rin ako nakakalaba. Kasi when I was going to film yung paggawa ko ng laundry, biglang napuno yung storage ng phone ko. What I did was, tinransfer ko na lahat ng iba kong na-film dito sa laptop. So that I can continue filming. Ginabi na ako, guys. Pero okay lang. I really have to do my clothes. Kasi isang malaking bundok na siya. Basta ito siya. Kasing taas na ng monitor ko. Ayan. Ganyan na lang siguro. This is my situation ngayon. Sobrang dami pang natira doon. And then I have all of these. Tapos, ito yung plano kong isalang sana ngayon. So, kukuha pa ako and then isasalang ko siya. Finally, nakasalang na ako. It's not much, pero it's enough para mabawasan significantly. Tabahin update, hindi na siya kasing tangkad ng monitor ko. Amazing! Maybe the most productive thing to do now is mag-edit na ng onting videos for this vlog. While I was filming throughout this day, na-realize ko, ang tagal ko pala i-edit to. Kasi look at all of the videos. And wala pa yung mga current kong film ngayon. I might start editing na onting ito. Ganito yung POV ko ngayon. To be honest, hindi ko alam kung paanong editing style ang gusto ko. I'm just gonna make it simple. Sorry guys. I kind of forgot to film my dinner. Anyways, hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. This is kind of a lazy day. Siguro yung ito-title ko na lang sa video na to. First vlog, lazy day in my life. Na. Hello? What's going on? Might call my boyfriend or play with my friends. And then, mag-film na lang ulit ako later kapag patulog na. Hey guys, medyo late na ngayon. Actually, feeling ko medyo magkakasakit ako or something. Yung lalamunan ko medyo ano siya, medyo hindi siya makate. But like, there's like some strain. I'm going to drink gamot. Cetirizine. I'm so scared na magkasakit. I really hate having sore throat, sipon, ubo. Really hate it. Okay, I think that's all I'll be doing for my first video. I guess that's all there is sa video na to. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm going to get a good night's rest kasi I have a date tomorrow. Bye!